Allah knows the pain that no one knows. If Allah is your sail, the storm cannot destroy you. Sad? Talk to Allah. Happy? Praise Allah. Problems? Ask Allah for help. Depressed? Cry to Allah. 1,000 times I've failed, and still your mercy remains. Success is not final, failure is not fatal, it is courage to continue that counts. Failure is not fatal until we surrender, trying again is the key of glorious victory. Please have mercy upon me and save me from failure and disgrace. Allah loves you even in your darkest hours. He forgives you even in your deepest failure. Connect to Allah, because this line is never busy, always answered, no hang up, no heartbreak. Our success and failure is in the hands of Allah, not people. If He is with you, no one can harm you. Never give up hope on two things: the mercy of Allah, the power of dua. Never lose hope. Never give up, because Allah is always with you, that's enough. Never give up. Allah sees your effort in failure. If Allah grants you victory, none can defeat you. If Allah should aid you, no one can overcome you. Allah loves you. No matter where you have been, no matter what you have done, no matter how deep you have fell, there is forgiveness. If Allah helps you, none can overcome you. If He forsakes you, who is there, after that can help you? And Allah wants to lighten for you your difficulties, and mankind was created weak. If Allah grants you the love of another Muslim, cling on to it. I want love that will say, not even death will do us part, because we'll be reunited in Jannah, the Inshallah. If you knew the love Allah has for you, you would cry an endless ocean. In this house, we are true, we make mistakes, we say I'm sorry, we love Allah, we have fun, we show kindness, we forgive, we are patient, we practice Islam, we show mercy, we love, man, Yallah. Why always me? Allah, because I love you. When Allah loves a servant, He tests him. If Allah loves you more than a mother, you shouldn't be ashamed of crying to Him like a baby. If Allah guides you to remember Him, it's a sign that Allah loves you. You will not enter paradise until you have faith and until you love each other. But those who believe are stronger in love for Allah. Allah says, you may have someone in your mind, someone in your heart, someone in your dream, someone in your life, but I am your someone, when you have no one. The only heart worthy of being called a heart is that which is adorned with the love of Allah. The love of Allah is a light that, if you are without it, you are in an ocean of darkness.